Hi, before I start this video, I would like to thank some people that also donated the channel. The first one is Oslan Osturk. The second one is Mohammed Al-Baloshi from Qatar. He gets this as my gratitude as well. Oslan does, of course. And the third man who donated the channel is Ionut Boruga. I believe he's from Romania. Mulțumesc. You also get this as a sign of my gratitude. And if you also would like to donate the channel Fix Your Mercedes, I'm going to put you the link below here where you can do that. Thank you. In our video, we are going to be talking about the mechanical part of the system called Ke Jetronic. You know, I've been talking about this, that if you want to have a healthy Ke Jetronic, your mechanical part of the system must be in a shape as better as possible. So, you need this, 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 and this. This must be in shape as better as possible. The fifth component that must be in an excellent shape is called the airflow sensor meter. It looks like this. You've seen this before, I believe. So you have my video when I was talking about this sensor plate that mustn't rub its edges. That's thing number one. And I think number two we're going to be talking in this video is this. It's the CO screw or the mixture screw. Normally, you don't have to mess with this part. It is pre-adjusted in Mercedes and in Bosch. But if someone messed around with this part and made this airflow meter sliding harder, or he made it that it has such a gap like this, and then it starts sliding harder. A car like that won't even start. So if you have this situation and this issue that your car won't start, then you must set this CO screw. It's nothing to be afraid of. You just need a 3 mils Allen wrench and you stick it here. You must get a free play here. You must get a free play between 1 and 3 mils. The ideal would be 1.9. How do we do that? Let's see that now. If we have to mess around with the airflow meter, the second thing to do is to set the gap. So, look, we have a little gap here before the plunger starts moving harder. Listen to this sound. That's the sound that the lever inside doesn't touch the plunger. The plunger inside of the distributor. This thing here. Because if it does, it moves him a bit like this, and then you will smell fuel. Or it touches it. No, I cannot tell for sure what will happen, but you're going to smell fuel, that's for sure, and you will have a rich mixture. Now we look to see its position. And now you gently press, don't press too much. Look what happens. If you press it too much, here, you move the lever. The disc plate. How do we set it? Clockwise, we make the mixture richer. Counterclockwise, we make it leaner. So, the more you turn this screw clockwise, this plate is going to become stiff. Look, let me show you. Now I'm going to enrich it as much as possible to show you how it looks like. I can say that I don't have this free play. Let me move it, show to you. Look. This is not good. Look. I'm going to enrich it even more. With such a mixture, you won't be able to do your duty cycle. Or if it is counterclockwise adjusted, then your sensor plate is going to fall like this, something, and you won't be able to start the car at all. Now I'm going to put my Allen wrench, 3mm, and I'm going to make it leaner, counterclockwise. Now, here, it starts a bit now. So how do we determine it? How can you know how much it would be 1.9 mils? Use your caliper. And we want now to measure the distance between this and between the sensor plate. So we put it just like this to touch the sensor plate, and that's 27.8. And now we're going to add 1.9 on this 27.8. There you have it. And now, look, what do we do now? As I use my caliper, here, as I touch like this, from here, the sensor plate must start sliding harder. Here. So there you have it. I think you get the picture. Go in tiny movements. This much. When you have to fine-tune the position. Here. I think I got it. That's it. Listen to this now. Do you hear the plunger sliding inside? So that should be those ideal 1.9 millimeters. Before the sensor plate starts going harder. Here. And that's it. That's how you set your CO screw. And that would be it for tonight's video. And till the next video, happy Mercedesing. Bye.